We're here in Minden, Louisiana. Stopped at this crawfish place, Cajun type place, Cafe Latte I believe, and had a nice lunch. We left this morning at about 8:08, and we didn't really see too much rain, but this is the first time I'm putting the camera on the helmet. I have to put the door on, and so I am not going to be able to vlog while I'm on the way. So I'm taking this opportunity to tell you what's up. We expect to be riding in through some significant rain on the way back to Houston. We're going to be passing through Shreveport, Louisiana, and then heading west and then down south to try and skip these rain bands. The guys are inside putting on rain gear right now. Don has got his rain gear on, and we're going to go get some gas, and then after that we can actually resume our trip. We're about 150 miles. We're inside Texas now, about 150 miles, I think, from home. And I just stopped for my last gas up, cup of coffee, and we're going to be heading out again in a couple of minutes. Rain's still falling, as you can see, but I'm dry. Latitude suit is working perfectly. The ProSummer gloves are working perfectly. This is great. So, no problem. Time is now 5:55 on the expected time of arrival back at the house, 6:05. It's gonna be, I don't know, close to 430 miles, and again, I don't have my internal mic on, so that I can get the waterproof, waterproofness of the GoPro, so that I can shoot all of that rain that was falling on my Klim Latitude outfit and my BMW ProSummer gloves. They all performed perfectly on this trip. I am a bit cool. I just finished cruising at 80 miles an hour, and so the air conditioning effect was well felt. Temperature here is 72 degrees. So that's the end of the trip, and so until next time, keep the shiny side up, stay safe, and talk to you later. Just pulled into my garage after about 10 hours on the road. 10 hours of varying strengths of rain. So when we left this morning, it was barely spitting, and that continued very light rain until maybe 1 o'clock when we stopped for lunch in I got my earplug in my right ear. And we stopped for lunch in Louisiana, and then after that it started to come down more heavily. So you could say from 1 till about 6 it was good rain, good heavy rain. So the BMW ProSummer Gloves did a good job, and the Latitude outfit, excellent job.